Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box. So you guys want to see what my thoughts are on this. Am I going to continue this series? Well, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so this month I was charged $24 and some odd change for this Allure Beauty Box. They did make the changes over back in October. They started charging people the $23 plus shipping handling for a box. And I remember them saying that they weren't going to start charging until December, but then they emailed me saying, oops, our bad, we're starting to charge you as of October. So I don't really know what is in here. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to want to keep this box because the October box was shitty. So I don't know if I want to keep this. But the email that I got said last week we mistakenly sent an email informing me that the monthly price for the new and improved Allure Beauty Box increased to $23 on December 1st, 2020. That was an error. As we said in our email to you on August 14th, the $23 price took effect on October 1st, 2020. They apologize for the confusion. So they're saying with this new benefit, we're going to have 6 products each month valued at $100 plus, 3 or more full-size items in each box, exclusive opportunities to get your favorite luxury and indie brands at member-only prices, special offers on a limited edition boxes, and access to member-only events with the Allure editors and beauty experts. I remember I got the October box, and like I said, it was bad. So I'm not entirely sure if we're going to keep this series. I'm not going to lie, I'm actually really living for this look right now. I am wearing my Lunar Beauty Aphrodite liquid lip. Pure heaven. And then I'm also wearing the Raw Beauty Christie Lovely Lashes. Super cute. I usually never wear lashes whenever I do red lip. I just wear mascara, but I really just wanted to be really sexy today. So that's what I'm wearing. I got my Allure box this morning, and I just want to show you guys something. Hopefully this shows up for you guys, but this is my box. I don't know if you guys can see it at all, but my box is covered in coffee stains. Like legit, covered in freaking coffee stains. I'm like, who is drinking coffee all over my white box? I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But I got my box and Corey and I were like, does somebody just have a field day with coffee? It was like over, I don't know, it's just so disgusting looking. It just coffee spills all over it. It's so gross. I can't describe how gross this is. So we're just gonna dive into it. Like I said, this might be the very last time that I get this box. It does add up getting the Boxy Premium, Boxy Charm, Ipsy, and getting the Allure. Thank God I canceled Birchbox, but I might end up canceling this one as well. It's $23 plus shipping and handling, and it hasn't been worth it lately. So first things first, as always, it comes with this pamphlet in here. I never read this pamphlet. I think this pamphlet is just a waste of paper, unfortunately, because all they ever do is they show you the products that you may have in your box, but they don't tell you about the products. They tell you how the product works for them, and then they tell you what the price point is for the full size. If you're gonna give me deluxe sample sizes, please just tell me how much the value of that product is. I don't wanna have to do math myself because it's math, and I hate math. And then tell me what the product is. Like, tell me what it does, not how it works for you. Just tell me what the back of the box says about the product. They don't ever do that, and I always find this to be such a waste. So, yeah, I just feel like I'm just already full of complaints, and we haven't even jumped into this video. So, first things first, I see this right here. This is called Dermilect Cosmeticals Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. So Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum is a potent yet gentle anti-aging serum combining 3 active forms of amino acids. Overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin, focus on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores. Oh my God, I swear to God, they know that I'm 31, I swear. And then great for age spots and uneven skin tones, multitasking facial, and decollet application. So I want to say this might be the full size. I'm not sure. So I think this is the 4 size. It says that this retails for $42. I think this is the full size. Again, they never say whether or not it's a full size. I hope that it is. I mean, it is. Looks pretty big. Looks like it could be the full size, but it is a serum. Okay, and this is how it looks. It has a very strong smell. It kind of reminds me of like a caramelized acetone. Like, it has that like strong scent of like an acetone whenever you get your nails done or get your nails taken off, with like a caramel flavor to it. I don't really like the smell, but I don't like the smell, and I'm really over skincare. However, it says it's supposed to have 3 different amino acids that are really targeted towards particular skin type, and I do suffer from very, very large pores. I'm getting there with the fine lines and wrinkles because, you know, age. And so I'm definitely always down to give it a try. I just, you know, I'm over skincare. I'm over it. I've never heard of this brand before, and it's a self-esteem beauty sleep. So I guess I wear it and I go to sleep. All right, next we have this Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. This is a 20 milliliter or 0.67 fluid ounce package. So definitely this is a deluxe sample. And the full price of this is $18.99 when it's the full size. But this is a 12-hour moisturizer. It has adaptogens and super greens, intense moisture for thirsty skin. Well, I don't know if my skin is really thirsty. I mean, she's pretty hydrated all on its own, and it's by the brand I know that's not how you say it, but that's how I like saying it. More and more skincare products. I think the reason why I really don't like deluxe skincare products is because I know that it takes about 21 days to fully try out a product, to see how it works for your skin, to see how your skin reacts, and to see if there's any benefits to using that product. And whenever you get a deluxe sample size, you don't have a full 21 days to really try out a product, so it just becomes a waste ultimately because you never get a chance to fully try it out. So I'm not even gonna bother trying to smell this or open that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this like for my No Waste Wednesday, just because it's just I find it to be just, I don't want to waste it. I really don't want to waste it, and I feel like I would end up wasting it, and that would just really be unfortunate, you know. All right, next there is this Josephine. Whenever I see the name Josephine, I think of the scene in Titanic when she's laying on the door. Come, Josephine, in my flying machine, going up she goes, up she goes. Isn't that it? Yeah, I think that's it. I could be wrong. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So this is I don't know what this is. Gorgeously Healthy Eye Dazzle Natural Long Wear Liquid Eyeshadow. Rich, high voltage colors with a chamomile infused texture that glides on smoothly, opening the eyes with hours worth of bold shimmer. Ooh, I can't even see what color you are. This is in Leona. Ooh. So this is it right here. It's actually really beautiful. Really reminds me of the Stella Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten Karma. Very, very gorgeous. I do like these type of eyeshadow toppers. I do find them to be really gorgeous. Like, I really, really love my Stella Glitter and Glows. I think those are absolutely beautiful. You can just wear them by themselves. You can mix it with like a matte shadow to create a different type of look, and these are really, really gorgeous. So I think this could be potentially a full-size product. It says that it's $30, so I definitely think this is the full-size product in here. So that does, you know, pay for the box in on itself. Same with that skincare. If the skincare is the full size, then the box is technically already paid for 2 products. Not bad. Not bad. All right, next we have a Manakatara. I don't know what beauty this is. This is a step 3. Oh, we're missing some steps here. Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. I don't have time for lip mask. Apply to clean, dry lips. Can be applied before bed for maximum results. Wipe off in the morning with tissue or washcloth to reveal hydrated, healthier looking lips. Listen, this retails for $22. I think this might be the full size. Listen, I don't have time for lip mask at night. Y'all want to know why? Because I like to sit there and gab away and drink water and watch TikTok. And then sometimes I chew my lips. So like, I'm not gonna remember to put this on. See if it even has a nice smell. Smells alright. Smells alright, not bad. I know that people really get into lip mask. I guess I've never really been one of them. I know that like Laneige has a wonderful lip mask, but I guess I've just never been really one to get into lip mask. I should, but I don't. But I guess it's really cool because, again, this also pays for the price of the box. So 3 full-size items, well over the value of $23. So that's actually really good. Like, I am actually happy about that. All right, next we have a Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Whoa, we're actually getting something different in here. Okay, we're not getting some skincare. This retails for $16. This is definitely not the full size because I think it says right here the full size is 8.6 ounces and this is 30 milliliters right here. But this is a scalp scrub. So a gentle foaming scrub that removes product buildup and impurities to reveal a natural shine. Apply on wet hair and scalp. Ooh, I just got out of the shower too. Oh, gosh. Oh my God. You smell like heaven. Oh, bitch. Oh, but you solid. You're solid. I thought this was like a liquid. It looks like bubbly. It's a scalp massage. That smells freaking amazing. Oh, that smells so good. What? That smells... Oh, God. Okay. Okay. I don't have tissues. I don't have a tissue. It's really sandy too. It feels like a lip scrub. It feels really sandy. So it's like I'll be rubbing like sand in my hair. That's going to be very intriguing to find out how that works. But I will tell you what, that smells just like, it smells really good. Okay, now I'm getting a little excited. Damn it, Allure. I was kind of looking forward to canceling you and you're getting me a little bit excited. All right, next we have a Instant Bright Eye Mask. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff in my nose. Okay. For all skin types, this is a need a quick pick-me-up. These cooling gels, patches, smooth and hydrate the under eye area for instant refresh. Refresh. This retails for $48 for 6 sets of 2 patches. So, $48. You guys can do the math. I'm not trying to do the math. But, I guess that's cool. Not really for me. But that's okay. I'll go ahead and put this in my No Waste Wednesday. All right, next we have a Real Ferment Micro Essence 93% Microbial Ferment Complex. Micro Essence for brighter, softer, deeply hydrated skin. A deeply hydrating and brightening essence that contains more than 93% naturally fermented ingredients. So, there's that. Definitely not the full size. This full size of this retails for $38. So the person right here, I actually for once read someone's story, said, oh my God, that sugar is something in my nose. When you paint your nails, thin layers work best to create an even coat color. I take the same approach for hydrating my oily skin, building up to moisture with toner, essence, and moisturizer. Although this transparent fluid looks like a mini bottle of Voss water, it's spiked with rice and yeast ferments that improve the skin's microbiome. I sprinkle the essence, which has the faint scent of sake, into my hand and pat it onto my face. Then I proceed with the rest of my skincare routine. The essence helps to bind all the layers of hydration together while helping my skin look healthier and more radiant. Now, I'm definitely not into radiance just because I get really, really oily, but she said that she has really oily skin and this works well with it. I do know that as an oily skin person myself, it is very, very crucial that we do hydrate our skin because it does help to prevent the buildup of more like oil. I try my best. I can only do so much. I'm just genuinely curious about the smell now. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Oh, that's way too much. Oh, save the product. Okay, well, doesn't really have too much of a smell. It feels like water on the skin. It has like the hintest of smell. I think she meant it has like a little smell of sake, but that doesn't smell like sake to me in the slightest. I mean, I guess I could try it if it's supposed to help with hydration and she uses for oily skin. I'm always down to try anything for oily skin. Like, I really am. All right, last but not least, we have biocellulose sheet mask. When the last choice. When your skin feels dry, quench its thirst with the last choice face mask. So this retails for $5. Definitely the full size product right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday just because I really don't like face masks. They're horrible on me. All right, so we got 8 items in the box. We've got 3 full-size products right here, and then we got 5 deluxe sample sizes right here. The majority of the items in here are skincare, and there's 1 hair care, but majority of the items in here are skincare. I got 1 makeup item. One makeup item, the rest are skincare. I don't even count like the lip mask to be a makeup product because it's not. But guys, I think this might be my last Allure beauty box. As fun as this used to be, it just isn't that great anymore. I remember when I got the Allure beauty box back in December of last year, I got so excited because they had a whole box dedicated to ABH products. And I feel like that was like their selling point to get people hooked. And then ever since then, they just really kind of just gone downhill. They put so much skincare into their boxes now. And I get that skincare is very vital to your makeup routine to have a really flawless base. And I understand that and I respect it so much. But I literally already have so much skincare. And it's just kind of nice if they were to, it'd be nice if they were to do a ratio, like a 3-to-2 ratio. And like I said, they've just been putting so much skincare in here that it's becoming not fun anymore. I really do miss the old Allure beauty box, and ultimately this makes me miss Sephora. I used to love my Play by Sephora, and the only reason why I got this is because I wanted to battle those two together, and then Play by Sephora ended up canceling themselves, but they always had makeup products in there, and I loved it so much. And yeah, I think this might be my last box. Like, I'm not mad about this box, and I'm not mad about this box, but like I'm not like, oh, this is the best box. Like I'm not like that either. I'm just kind of like, oh, I mean some of the, I'm like, oh, at least like these items paid for the box. But ultimately, this is just not what I really want in a subscription box anymore. It's just not my thing. Like, if you guys have seen me do glossy box unboxing for the last couple months, the company is so sweet. I really do cherish the company. But they wanted me to review their boxes coming up. I guess they have like a holiday theme box, a Black Friday box, a November box. And they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do it. And I pretty much told them that if their box is going to be skincare heavy, to go ahead and just pass me up on this opportunity, because I don't like being like really critical over a box. And I don't like being super negative. But I'm never going to lie about how I feel, because at the end of the day, I'm still a paying customer. And if I'm not satisfied, I'm pretty sure there's plenty of other people out there who feel the same exact way as me. So like, I told them no, and I don't know how they took it. They never responded back to me, and it is what it is. And I cherish the moment I got to work with them. But I'm really am over getting all this skincare. It just becomes to be too much, especially since I have like 3 full drawers of skincare, because I have so many unboxings that I do, that I just get overwhelmed with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I think, just like I said, let this one go. So hopefully you guys liked this series. I really did enjoy doing it. And if you guys know of any other beauty subscription boxes, please let me know. I know I've been tagged in like the Tribe Beauty box, so check that out. Slay Glam had reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to get their PR. I said no, because I say no more often than not. I think like 90% of the emails that I ever get from places I say no to, just because I actually only want to review stuff that I genuinely would be interested in purchasing myself. So I'm kind of sad to see this series go. It was such a fun series while it lasted, but I can't keep paying for a box that I'm just not satisfied with. And I don't know how you guys feel about it, with me always going, oh, this box sucked, you know? So yeah, there's that. We'll go ahead and kiss this one goodbye. But hopefully you guys liked this video. And if you guys did, please give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day or every other day, just depending. Make sure you guys check out my other channel. It's called R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful, amazing adventures here in Florida with my amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Let me take a picture of my coffee-stained box. I'm recording. Okay. You know, whenever I hear the song joke, if you're gonna give me deluxe, and I get that it's very, very vital, and they put, God, there's something about a red lip that I just, can't get over. Okay. Effectively also, make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful, amazing adventures. Wait, how do I say that?